Hello everyone. In today's video, I will be showing you how to factorize a quadratic expression. Now, the standard form of a quadratic expression is written as ax squared plus bx plus c. In our equation, we will be working out an equation in this video, and it would be written as 3x squared minus 5x minus 2. So we are going to we are going to factorize this expression. The step 1 is multiplying the variables a and c. As I showed in the previous example, the standard form a and c. In the equation, a is going to be 3 and c is going to be minus 2. So we are going to multiply 3 and minus 2 and we will get minus 6. Step 2. Step 2 is going to be finding the factors of the value we just multiplied and found out, which is minus 6. We are going to find out the factors of minus 6 such that when we add them or when we subtract them, the value is going to be minus 5. Now 6 has many factors. We have here plus 1 plus 6 minus 1 plus 6 plus 1 minus 6 minus 1 minus 6, and it goes on. But the thing we have to note is from these factors, which ones are going to give me minus 5? Now plus 2 and plus 3, we know that even if we multiply them, we won't get minus 6. We will get plus 6. Minus 2 and plus 3, when we multiply, we will get minus 6. But if we add them, minus 2 and plus 3, we will get plus 1. So we need something that would give us minus 5. In that case, the bottom part of these factors will not be needed. We will only need the first part. So we will select those, and we have here. Now we need to figure out which one is going to give us minus 5. Plus 1 and plus 6 would give us plus 7. Minus 1 and plus 6 would give us plus 5. Plus 1 and minus 6 would give us minus 5. Minus 1 and minus 6 would give us minus 7. So we know that my plus 1 and minus 6 are the factors that are going to give me minus 5x. So the next step is going to be substituting the factors we have found into the quadratic equation. To do that, we know the first step. This is 3x squared minus 5x minus 2. So we need to substitute into the equation, instead of minus 5x, the factors we have found. To do that, we'll need to rewrite the equation as such. 3x squared minus 6x plus 1x minus 2. So we will need to then figure out the factorization, which is 3x squared minus 5x minus 2. Each set we have to take individually. So 3x squared minus 6x we are going to take separately, and plus x minus 2 we are going to take separately. What we need to do in this step is to figure out which is the common term. In the first set, the common term is 3x. So we have taken 3x outside, and what's remaining is in the bracket. And then we have to take the common term. In this term, the common term is x minus 2. So we take x minus 2 outside and then write what is remaining in the other bracket. So this is factorized, and this is our final answer for the quadratic equation. Now there's one more step which you can do to find out if you got the correct answer. That is called checking. For this step, what we need to do is we need to multiply these two brackets, and our final answer is going to be the initial quadratic equation. So to multiply, first we need to multiply x and 3x, the first terms, which will give us 3x squared. And then we need to multiply the midterms, minus 2 and 3x, which will give us minus 6x. And then the outer terms, x and 1, which will give us plus x. And then minus 2 and 1 will give us minus 2. So when we finally do the like terms, 3x squared cannot be added with anything else. But there are two like terms of x. So we will add minus 6 and plus 1, which would give us minus 5x minus 2. So this is our equation. We've got that equation, and we know that from this expression that we have done it correctly. I hope you understood how to do quadratic expressions by factorization. Thank you.